Gone are those days where you can hop into Grok, create unlimited videos and unlimited images without paying a dime. Grok is not like that anymore. You need to actually pay. However, there's actually a way you can actually use Grok for free, and I've already made a video about that. I'm going to leave that video link in the video description down below. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys 2 free AI tools that you can use as an alternative to Grok. The first AI tool I'm going to be talking about is called Qwen AI. All you need to do is to go to Google and type Qwen, and you can see this is Qwen AI. Go ahead, click on it. It's going to take you here. Then you go ahead and sign up an account. Once you sign up and log into your account, this is basically where it is going to take you. And over here you can see this is the prompt box, and if you click over here, this is where you can select the thinking mode, which is going to allow the AI to think for better response. To start creating videos, all you need to do is to come over here and click on this plus icon. This is going to open up, and over here you can see a lot of things you can do. Deep research, and you can see create image here. So if you want to create videos, you can just go ahead and click on create video, and this interface is going to open up. This is where you can select the aspect ratio. So you can see 9:16, 16:9, 4:3, 3:4. So in this video, I'm going to be selecting 16:9. Now I'm going to give it a prompt right now so we can see exactly what this AI tool is capable of creating. So I'm going to go ahead and paste my first prompt here. If you want to get access to all of the prompts I'm going to be using in this video, make sure you go ahead and join my free Telegram community where I share different AI tools. So all I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on generate. You can see here it starts generating the video. So let's go ahead and wait for the result. All right, so Qwen AI has generated the video. So let's go ahead and play the video. Now, just in case you are not okay with the result, you can always go ahead and regenerate it again. Now, if you want to get the best result with this AI tool, all you need to do is to go ahead and first of all generate images. Then you can now animate those images to video. All you need to do is to click on here, then go ahead, click on image, give the AI a prompt, and it will generate the image. Then you can now animate. So for example, I'm going to go ahead, paste my prompts right here, then go ahead, generate the image. So you can see the image generating right here. Let's go ahead and wait for the result. So the image has been generated. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead, click where it says create video. This prompt box is going to open up. Then over here, this is where you can describe the video you want to generate. So all I'm going to do is to go ahead, paste my prompts here. Then I'm going to go ahead and run the prompt. It is basically going to go ahead and animate the image and turn it into video. For me personally, I found the best result by simply doing this. All right, so the AI has animated the picture to video. Let's take a look at it. I'm going to go ahead, hit on play. All right, so let's move to the second tool. So the second AI tool we are going to be using as a Grok alternative is called Google Flow. So to get access to Google Flow, all you need to do is to once again go over to your Google and type Flow. And once you tap on Flow, you can see this is Flow AI here. Go ahead, click on it. This is going to open up. Just go ahead and click on the first one you see here. Once you tap on it, it's going to take you here. Just go ahead, click on Create with Flow. Then you go ahead and create your account. For me, it's logging me straight into my account because I have already created an account on the platform. You can create images here, you can create videos with prompts and all of that. So let's say you want to create anything, just go ahead, click on this one right here. Once you click on it, it's going to open up. You can see here, you can switch to image, you can switch to video. So let's say we want to create image. Once you click on image, you can see here, you can select the aspect ratios. This is how many images you can generate with one single prompt. So if you select X1, if you drop a prompt here and generate, it's going to generate just one image. But if you select X2, it's going to generate 2 images. The same thing goes to X3 and X4. Now, if you want to generate videos here, just go ahead, click on videos, and you can also select the aspect ratio of the video you want to create, as well as the number of videos you want to generate per prompt you give the AI. Also here, down here, you can go ahead and select the model of Veo 3 that you want to use. So Flow AI basically use Veo 3 to generate the videos. So I would advise you to go with Veo 3.1 fast because it uses fewer credits. So for example, if I go ahead and select Veo 3.1 fast, you will see that we are going to be using 20 credits for each generation. But if we go ahead and select Veo 3.1 quality, you will see that it is going to use 100 credits. Now, the reason why I say you should select Veo 3 fast is because Google Flow basically gives you 100 credits per day. So you can see here, for me currently, I've used some of the credits to generate videos. So you can see the credits remaining for me is 130 AI credits, but every day you can see here credits refresh every day. This is actually a perfect alternative to Grok, just in case you don't want to pay $30 for Grok. So all I'm going to do is to just go ahead, paste my prompt right here. I'm going to make sure I select Veo 3.1 first. Next, I'm just going to come over here, click on this arrow here to run the prompt. The video is generating, but you can see I actually selected 9:16, which is going to be a vertical video. You can see the video is generating right now. So let's go ahead and wait for the final result. All right, so Flow AI has generated the video. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. I'm just going to go ahead and select it right here, and you can see how high quality this video actually looks. This is done in Flow AI for absolutely free. This is actually one of the best alternatives to Grok right now. Now, if you want to extend the videos just like the way we normally do in Grok AI, all you need to do is to come over here and click on extend. Once you click on it, the prompt box is going to ask you what happens next. So all you need to do is to go ahead and tell the AI what should happen next in the video. And that is basically how you keep on increasing the length of the video. So this is the prompt I'm going to give. Woman closes laptop, picks coffee, waves, and says bye for today. So next, I'm just going to go ahead and click on the arrow, and you can see the video is generating. So let's go ahead and wait for the final result. All right, so the AI has generated the video. Let's go ahead and play the final video. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit on play.
Bye for today.
Alright, so you can see how the video looks very high quality. That is basically how you can extend the video. From here, you can click on extend again and tell the AI what should happen next. Remember, they give you 150 credits to generate videos and images every single day.